Hey everyone, so we are doing tie-dye today, and this one's a little bit different that you usually don't see because we always do our tie-dye 8 hours, or we always do the next day. But this one I found at Walmart, and I was picking one up for my niece for her birthday back a couple months ago. So I snagged myself one too, and this one is the 2-minute tie-dye. I wanted to do a versus the 2-minute to the 8 hour to see one if it looks the same or one looks better than the other. So I wanted to test out that for you guys. So let's get this started. Okay, so it comes with 9 pre-filled bottles, 2 containers for the microwave method, comes with extra color, comes with 2 pairs of gloves, and rubber bands. I did go to the Dollar Tree to go get some more rubber bands because I didn't think this will be enough, but I guess we'll see. Okay, and that's all that came in the box. I think the one thing I'm actually pretty bummed that was not in the box is the sheet to go on the floor so they won't have stains on it. So I'm gonna have to cut up a trash bag, which I have a small one, but we'll make it work. We're gonna have to go outside because my husband will kill me if I do tie-dye indoors. As you guys are filling in these bottles up, I advise you to wear gloves because first of all, I didn't know we had to because stuff are already coming out. I did fill up to the line. As you can see, it's barely underlined. That's because I'm not shaking. But you do want to fill this up to the line, but it does pop out some of it. So you gotta be careful when you guys shake this. Well, this is the epifill because it's raining. How am I supposed to do tie-dye outside? Look outside, look outside. It's raining. There's like no light. So I'm trying to debate if I should wait till tomorrow or go ahead and do it. So the first technique that I'm gonna do is the Crumble T-Shirt Method with ice on top of it. I thought that was really cool when I saw some of those of that technique. So I'll do both of them. I'll do the one with the ice and one without the ice and do the crumble method because I do like the crumble method. So let's go ahead and get that one started. So the crumble technique, pretty simple. You're just gonna scrunch the fabric using your finger, and you want to do that all together, smushed in, make it a circle. So I grabbed a container and then a tray. Don't ask me where I got that, but I got it from the oven. But anyways, so you get a pile of ice and you stack them all around. One ice, I just laid them all flat all around until you get enough you don't see your shirt. I grabbed a packet of coloring and I only sprinkled a little bit because I just wanted light color and not vibrant on my t-shirt. So I'm sprinkling it around, mixing it on top of it. If you do want more vibrant, then you'll obviously just add more color than what I did. It's starting to look really pretty. I did use my finger to spread all that too, but that's what it looks like. And then we'll wait till the ice melts. For the meantime, we are doing something else. So we are doing the swirl. A lot of people did the stick, but I did my finger, which I just pinch and then I swirl. Oh, yeah, just swirling. Pinch and twist. Have it all together. So the reason why you see some blue is because I didn't clean the trash bag. So it's probably a good idea if you guys had a couple bags to use. And I'm using rubber bands, doing all tightly. I did 3 of them, I believe. Making sure it's all secured. Go a couple more in there, and there we go. And now it's time for it to dye. So you just want to color it in there. Front and back is what I did. Drench it pretty good. I did a bunch of colors. Purple. It was really messy, guys. This is much better if you did it outside because it was a hot mess. Look at that mess right there. Okay, last color, orange. And there we go. And that's one of the microwave that we're going to do the 2-minute on there. Close it tight. This is the other microwave that we're gonna do, the 2-minute one, a crumble. You guys saw that from the beginning when we did the ice. So you're just scrunching the fabric using your fingers. Make sure it's all tight around, and you're coloring the colors that you want to use. So I just did it all over the place to see how cool it will look at the outcome. And I try to do stuff colors that's near the primary colors. So you can, yellow, red is orange, and so forth. That. So now that's ready to go to the box, to the microwave. Yes, close it real tight. So once you put it in the microwave, there is some rules about it. There's a different time for how long you want it to cook. It depends on your microwave wattage. So if you have 700 watts, you'll do it for 3 minutes. For kid size and adults are 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And then if you have 1,000 watts or more, 2 minutes for the young size, and then adult sizes will be 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, after a microwave, you do want to wait for 15 minutes or more to let it cool off. It is extremely hot. I learned my lesson, but it does say to wait there. So once you rinse it, make sure you rinse it with cold water, and you want to get rid of all the dye, and you want to wait till the water gets all clear. And then on this one shows after I rinsed it off. So we're doing the ombre, and this is I made for my husband. He didn't want none of that crazy tie-dye thing. But anyways, I did 2 colors. The bottom will be the blue and top will be orange. Those are the 2 colors that he wanted. I wanted to do a CG on the middle because he has a lot of CG shirts. So I wanted to be a custom made one for me. And it did not turn out so well, as you will see later. You can get a sponge, but it says you could do a brush. I could not find a brush, so I used what I got at home, and I got a bath sponge. It worked fine. But yes, you want to keep smearing using the water. That will blend very well on the t-shirt. And you want to keep doing that. You can add more blue or more color of the dye that you want and blend more, as you can see. So you want to keep doing until what you like of the outcome. And then yeah, and there's that CG sticker that I made, a toothbrush to sprinkle some splash on there to see if it will help go around there. I couldn't get tape because obviously the t-shirt was wet, but I wanted to give it a try, but it was unsuccessful. I was really sad and bummed. Now we're doing the orange, doing the same thing as you did on the bottom, and you use your bath sponge, blend it, use water. You want to keep doing the desired that you want it to look like. I can still see the CG on there in the middle. I don't know about y'all, but it'll fade away soon. There we go. You can keep blending. I was trying to figure out how to fold this shirt after this was, so I was like, I don't want it to be mixed up. So I just folded it in a weird way, as you can tell right now, and this will go straight to a Ziploc bag, so you can wait for next day to get it rinsed off. Next, I'm doing my oldest daughter's t-shirt. I want to do the heart in the middle. So you want to fold it like a book, and you want to do a washable marker, and you will draw a heart in the middle, half of a heart, I'm sorry. And I should have done a loop, a bigger loop, as you will tell later on when you see the results. So what I'm doing is I'm pinching and folding. The main thing is you need to do a straight line as you're folding it. So you're following that line and then making sure it's straight the whole time you're folding those little folds that you see. And I will zoom in just a little bit so y'all can see it. Just like that. Perfect. Just like that. You keep folding. I had a hard time on loop at the end, but do your best. And then from there, you want to do a rubber band around that purple line, and that will create that heart look shape. And then you can do another rubber band, so you can do more colors on there. I did one more, so you can do 3 colors on that t-shirt. Double. I think I doubled down because it was such a small t-shirt. And then I did the 3 colors. So it'll be red, purple, and blue. So now we're going to do her shorts. That's the stripes method. And you want to roll it up like a tortilla. Just like that. And then with 2 rubber bands on each side of the ends. I took off my gloves because I had a hard time doing that. But yes, just like that. Put gloves back on so you won't stain your hands. And then you'll do the same colors to able to match it. And then I realized I messed up, but that's okay. You can make mistakes. Just cover it up. Just like that. Okay, towards the end, when everything is all good to go and you're ready for wash, all of them is going to be the same directions, even the one with the 2-minute microwave. So you'll do the warm water. So you want to separately wash them into the washer, and you will do a small amount of laundry detergent. After they've been washed, you do want to put them in the dryer and dry them up. They're your usual when you dry your clothes. Okay, so let's look at the outcome on each one to see which one is better. Is it the 2-minute tie-dye is better, or is the 8-hour pass be better? Let's see. The next 2 will be the 2-minute tie-dye. As you guys can see, there is a lot of white on this shirt. Lots of color got kicked off, and I'm bummed that it looked like this, but it looks pretty good. But I like the original after we rinsed it and when you guys saw it. And the second one, Crumble, only thing that's kicked off is that top corner. It looks like a lot of red that came off. I like the Crumble technique. It looks really cool. I like the shirt, but there was a lot of red that disappeared. And I guess my shirt's going to disappear too. Bye. All right. So we got the ombre, which is my husband's shirt. He said he liked it, but he wanted to be more vibrant. It's my fault because I didn't add more dye to it. So I'll redo it again and just do that method again. But I really like how that turned out. Cool. And then the next one is my daughter's shirt and shorts. It looks awesome. I love it. And you guys can see that heart. So the heart ones here, as you could tell, I wanted to be more wide, but it turned out great. I think it was so much vibrant because it was such a small amount of cloth that it really sucked in all that color in. And there's the shorts. Super adorable. Can't wait for her to wear this. And then we have that crumble ice method, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Wanted to be light pastel, nothing too bright and vibrant. It's just the right amount of color for me that I like. So that really looked cool. Totally cute. Okay guys, so that completes the video today. If you guys want to see more of verses or how-to videos, go ahead and give a thumbs up or just let me know in the comments below and I'll do more of that. And yes, stay tuned guys, there'll be more videos. Thank you.